All right, so I finally completed the lighting project. So this is all the lights installed. I have the Auxbeam spotlights on the bumper. I have the Novesight ditch lights at the bottom of the windshield. I've got the Nightlight rock lights over each tire. That is so cool. So there's the rock lights installed. There's an app right here. Go into the app and let's see if I can change it. Oh yeah, there we go. So there, you can go through all the different colors. There's red, there's green, there's blue, there's blue, there's yellow, there's purple, and light blue. There's white. So I went to speed on the app and they're changing color. Look at the lights. They're changing colors.
I know. Are you doing that?
Yeah. That's cool. I even put interior lights. Look at that. I got dome lights on the inside. That is so cool. But yeah, this thing is set. All I need now is some backup lights and a chase light, and maybe some whips if we go to the dunes. There you go, guys. That's what it looks like. Look at that. Holy crap. That's a lot of lights.